a gingerbread man. ActivAte, I made a gingerbread man.
And what's you putting it in?
Butter,
Yeah, what's that one?
sugar,
What's that one?
flour,
What's this one? Bicarb.
bicarb,
And what's this one?
bicarb,
Ginger.
ginger,
And what have you got here?
gingerbread man.
Gingerbread man. What do you need in your pan? What is it?
Pancake.
What is it?
Pancake.
It's not pancakes. What is it?
I don't know.
It's brown sugar.
Brown sugar,
And then what are you putting in the brown sugar?
butter.
That's it. All of it in.
It's a birthday. It's a birthday card.
It makes it look like a birthday card.
Yeah.
Right, and then you're going to gently stir it over a gentle heat until it melts, okay? And you can ask an adult to help you with this.
You.
Me. Yummy, scrummy golden syrup.
Yucky.
Yucky? You see that?
And it was sprinkling.
Is it?
It's melting.
It is melting, and it's all going to melt together and make a really gooey, yummy
Sausage.
golden syrup. No, gingerbread man. That's it, gently stir. Asking an adult to help you because it's on the hob, isn't it?
Help.
Help! Okay, and we're going to stir in the butter and the golden syrup. It's all what?
It's all melted and tied together.
It has, yeah, so it's all melted together. And what colour is it? Brown, yeah. So you just put all your flour in the bowl, Edith. And then we'll put all the melted stuff in there. You can just tip it in. You just tip it in? Yeah, it is, isn't it? Now we're going to put some ginger in.
There, that's better.
And some cinnamon.
I don't like this one.
I think more ginger. And you can make this as gingery as you like. Put more ginger in than cinnamon because the cinnamon will just bring out the flavour of Christmas and it helps bring out the flavour of ginger.
There.
Is that nice and cinnamon and gingery?
No, not yet. One more.
One more.
And this one.
Lots more of that one, no more of the other one. You done?
Yep.
Excellent. So we're going to I'll get you a spoon and we'll stir. Here you go. So 1 teaspoon of bicarb. That's it. And then gently mix it all in. So it all is combined. Just going to make a well.
There's a hole in it.
That's it. And then we're going to put your butter and sugar in there.
There.
Wow, more cinnamon. So we've just poured the butter and sugar in. And now you're going to mix it all up together nice and gently to make it into a dough.
A dough.
A dough.
There's so some put these on.
That's it, yeah. So we can cut it out with those.
It's into a dough.
Is it into a dough? Excellent. So we've made it into a dough. And now we're going to sprinkle the flour all over the board.
Is this the way?
Oh,
This is it.
that is all over, isn't it? Okay, now you need to find your rolling pin. And we're going to roll it to the depth of a £1 coin. Can you do that? Roll it forwards and backwards to the depth of a £1 coin, okay? Don't worry if it crumbles, when you start rolling it properly, it'll come through.
Forwards and backwards.
Just like that, well done. So you need to make sure that you haven't got flour, lots of flour on it, look, to make sure it doesn't stick to your rolling pin. That's it, keep going a little bit more. Good girl. Okay, and now we're ready to cut. Other way round, I think. If you turn it the other way round, you might find it easier. So this is a gingerbread lady.
And this is a gingerbread man.
Go on, then you're going to cut with the gingerbread man. Press it down nice and firm. Good girl. And now which one are you going to cut? Gingerbread baby.
A gingerbread baby.
And I'm going to now help you take them out and put them on a baking tray, yeah?
Time to put it in the oven. Mopping up.
Mopping up the flour, are you? What are we doing, Edith?
Baking cake.
No, baking
Biscuits.
biscuits. And you're taking them
On the face.
off the oven, off the tray, onto the board. Ready to cool down. There you go.
This is the icing.
We're going to make the icing. Okay, I'm going to put a little bit of water in here, look, and you're going to stir, stir, stir. Stir, stir, stir. That's it. Get all that water mixed in. Keep going. Mix it till it's smooth, yes?
Oh, it's very, very white.
It is very, very white, isn't it? I told you icing was white, didn't I? And then we're going to make it, so we've got white at the moment, and what colours are you going to make? Blue and pink. Which one's going to be blue? And which one's going to be pink? Okay. So you're going to spoon it into the icing bag, and then when it's all in, we'll push it all down, won't we? Another spoonful.
Oh.
Is it still on that one? I'll sort it. Do you want me to do it? Okay, so we've got our two colours in our bags, and we've just put them in the icing bags and tied them up so they don't leak out one end. And then we're going to cut the end so the icing can come out. Ooh, are you going to do him some buttons and some eyes?
That's a button.
That's a good button.
This is a button.
That's a button.
Wait, that's a button.
No, that's like a zip.
Where?
Are you doing them all blue or are you going to do some pink?
One, two, wait, that's two, pink and blue.
Pink and blue, good plan. And any eyes? Are you doing any eyes?
Oopsie.
Yeah, do you want to do some pink? Right, hold it gently, let me cut it.
It's a bit snippy.
So you've got your hundreds and thousands and your buttons. So you need to carry on putting icing on first before you put any of the sprinkles on, don't you?
Yeah.
You're going to make sure they've all got buttons. What about eyes and nose and hair? Right, you're going to do any more icing?
Nope.
I think if you're going to stick some things on, I'm going to do some eyes. One eye, two eye. One eye, two eye. You're normally pretty good at eyes.
We're just doing this.
Right, you're going to start sticking some buttons on. And some sprinkles on the dresses.
These ones.
Yeah.
And we put the one. Yeah.
Where's he got a button on his top?
That's where the brass at the top.
Oh, right. Should we give this one some trousers?
That's not brownies.
How about some eyes?
Huh? Look at it.
Oh dear. And a smiling face?
And this one.
This one's got some hair.